Hi, my name is Greta Frederick Harteis, and I was the Spring 2024 Farm Day Event Coordinator with the Williamsburg Community Growers. During the semester, I designed the flyers and the brochures for the short-term marketing and the long-term literature. I also wrote a grant and invited other organizations from the Williamsburg area to table at Farm Day. For the day of activities, I gathered and organized volunteers, and I planned the scavenger hunt. I also invited the William and Mary Appalachian Music Ensemble to play for us. When I was organizing this event, I learned that this event is much more than just inviting people to see the Williamsburg Community Garden, but rather it was a way to grow the community between organizations and to build relationships between individuals. With that said, I want to thank the William and Mary Civic and Community Engagement Department for this opportunity to intern with the Williamsburg Community Growers. Thank you.